Watch this entire video to the end, and then, click on the links in the description below for more information. Any spell you do must be followed through by actions if the spell is to be successful. Whatever is needed to do, go do it after you cast the spell. Also remember, if you are not open to the magic, no spell can work. Spirit Guide. The most effective way to channel a spirit safely and privately, is by using a simple technique first used by the Romans. Today, this is widely known as pendulum sessions. The ancient Romans would take a gold ring, such as a wedding band, and hang it from a chain about 9 inches long. They would then hold the ring over a stone bowl 1/3 filled with water. This works the same as a pendulum, or scrying. The Romans believed the answers they were getting to be a very reliable source and took each session seriously. Many people today still practice this ritual to speak with past friends or spirit guides. You can easily try this as well. The movement of the ring on the chain represents different simple answers to questions. Front to back is yes, right to left is no, clockwise is I don't know, and counterclockwise is I refuse to answer. Also, many people have reported getting images and full messages in the mind as they used this technique. Magic is everywhere, energy is everywhere. Using rituals and ceremony, you can take these random forces and make them work to your own benefit. Instead of accepting whatever fate has in store for you, take charge and write your own destiny. The future is not set in stone, it is fluid, and as such it can be influenced by people who know how, people who understand that the universe is there for them to share and use. But be sure to return some of your good fortune as you profit from magic. This is a way of thanking the universe for its generosity, and avoiding greed. If you use magic for greed, it will eventually backfire on you. Get more information on witchcraft, spells, and magic, by clicking on the resource links below in the description. Make sure that you like and share this video. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Visit us at witchcraftmagic.com, and sign up for weekly freebies. Thanks for watching.